story. 7 gas stations robbed in less than 7 hours. Take a look. This is the map that shows the 4 neighborhoods where those robberies took place. The first one happened around 7:45 last night at a mobile station on Rancho Penasquitos Boulevard. The crime spree ended about 2 o'clock this morning at an Arco on Claremont Mesa. And 10 News reporter Melissa Mejia is live with new surveillance video you'll only see on 10 News. Mel?
And Virginia, we watched that video several times, and what really struck me was just how calm that robber was. Now, he walked into those doors right there, here at this Chevron. He walked in quietly and also left quietly, apologizing for what he was doing. The man dressed in white with a dark baseball cap walked into the store like any other customer. He grabbed a couple drinks and brought it to the register. He asked the clerk for 2 packs of cigarettes, and when the clerk turned around, that's when the robber took out a gun. We examined the video multiple times. It's hard to hear, but the robber spoke calmly to the clerk. He also said, "I've got no problem with you," and as he walked away, he apologized. 1 minute and 10 seconds. That's all it took for the robber to take the money and get away. This was one of several throughout the city. This Arco, just a few blocks away, also robbed. Stephanie Duran was working at the time, terrified for her safety.
I could not even tell you. I was just more scared, worried about once I saw the gun, that was it.
We learned this robber told Duran the same thing as he said in several other robberies overnight.
He's so tired, apologize for what he's doing, but he just wanted everything, and everything would go good if I just gave what he wanted and nobody get hurt.
And of course, police want to catch this guy. Again, there were 6 robberies overnight in the city of San Diego, 1 in the Lakeside area. Now, coming up at 11:30, we'll show you what that victim had to say for her fellow employees. Reporting live in Claremont, Melissa Mejia, 10 News.